Alright guys, you're welcome back to this channel. As you all might know me, it's your boy Sammy Trade, or you might know me as Sammy. So in today's video, we might not be showing you a way to trade, okay? I might not be like analyzing the chart and doing all that stuff I used to do before. Today's video is a different video. Alright, in today's video, I'm talking about things you need to put in place before going into your chart, before moving into your chart, as per your risk management plan, your trading plan, and all of those. Okay, I'm gonna like tell you all these things and teach you so that you know the right thing to do before fitting your chart, before trading for the day. Okay, so the first thing I'm talking about in this video is how to grow a small account. Okay, I know I have said that the first thing I will say in this video is, but this is like what I want to teach you guys. Okay, this is what I want to teach you guys, how you can grow your small account from $50 to $10,000 per month, from $100 to $10,000 per month, or your first $10,000 per month. Okay, or if you are like you have studied trading and you have mastered trading and you want to improve, then this video will also help you. Okay, so stay tuned and listen. All right, so the number one rules in growing a small account, and the number one rules in growing a small account, you can take out your pen so you can write down something. Okay, number one rules is only take high probability trade. Okay, only take high probability trade with multiple confluencers, at least up to 4 confluencers. I don't know if you are understanding this. This is like you taking trades. Okay, so when you want to take your trade, then you know things you have to look at for. Okay, you have to look at for like up to 3 things or 4 things before you enter into that beautiful trade. Okay, so you don't just trade randomly. All right, you check out for your confluencers. Okay, check out for your confluencers before you take that trade. All right, you might be seeing all my videos, all my previous videos. You can just go and watch them and see the kind of things you can do before taking the trade. All right, so make sure you see at least up to 3 confluencers. Okay, see up to 3 things that makes you feel that, oh, this trading is a good trade. It will be a better trade if I enter. If I enter here, it will be a perfect trade. All right, so these things are very important. So make sure you see these things and make sure it's at least 3 or 4 before you take that beautiful trade. All right, so this, and the number two I'm talking about in this video is you setting your risk per trade. All right, so this is risk management. Okay, it's among the things that will help you in growing that small account. All right, that baby account. This will also help you. Okay, it's very very important knowing your risk per trade. Okay, knowing how much money you are to lose in every trade that you take is very important. All right, so you have to know how much money you are willing to lose, not how much money you are going to make. That is not important. What is important is how much money you are going to lose on that trade. If you're not okay with that money, then you know what, just don't take that trade. Okay, don't take that trade. I believe the next time you just come to the market, you will see another setup for you to enter into another trade. Okay, the market is always there for you. All right, you don't have to trade all the time. You don't have to trade every day. All right, so understand this is very very important. You don't have to trade all day. When you see that the money you are about to risk on this trade is not is too much, okay, you can't take this kind of risk, and don't take that trade. Okay, it's better to stay with that trading than to trade a bad trade or take a trade that your risk was too much and you end up blowing that account. So know your risk per trade. All right, and also this also falls in the aspect of you trading, taking a trade of 1:3. Okay, the minimum I trade is 1:2. Okay, so very very important. 1:3, at least 1:3 upwards. Okay, not below 1:2. This is how I normally do my own trade, because you don't want to take a trade that is just 1:1. So you are risking 1% to make the same 1%. It's not making sense. All right, it makes sense when you are risking 1% to make 2%, to make 3%, to make 4%, to make 90%. Okay, that's why I say you can take a trade like 1:90, 1:20, 1:30, 1:10. Okay, very, very important. Don't take a trade that is just 1:1. That is very, very risky. Okay, don't take a trade like that. Take trade that is 1:2 upwards. Okay, I know I said you can take a trade that is 1:90, but yeah, I'm just telling you that from 1:2 upwards is the best. Okay, don't take trade that is 1:1. All right, then nobody take trade of 1:90. You understand what I'm saying? Okay, so that's it. The next thing I'm talking about in this video is about you guys, those that love trading fundamentals in order for you to like 10x your account, those that love trading news in order for you to like become rich overnight. And let me tell you something now, and listen to me and listen very good. If you are here because you want to make money, or you want to make a certain amount of money just in a little or a small period of time, then this trading is not for you. Okay, this industry is not for you. You might be lucky, okay? Don't get me wrong. You might be lucky the first time, you might be lucky the second time. But think about it. Can you keep doing this consistently? How long are you going to keep doing this? So let me tell you, the number one thing, very important, that you have to look out for in order for you to grow that your smart account is not to flip your account. Don't do that. It's very, very risky. It's very, very dangerous. And this always happens to those that love trading news. Those guys that love trading news, this video is for you, or this part is for you. Stop trying to flip your account. You have to be more patient. You have to be more relaxed. All right? Stop trying to flip your small account, because you will end up blowing that account. Okay? Be more patient. Be more relaxed. All right? The next part that I'm talking about in this video is for you to like focus on your trading plan. Okay, follow your trading plan, follow your risk management plan. All right, that's very, very important. And focus on the process. Okay, focus on the process. This like kind of relates to the first one. Okay, focus on the process and not the money. Focus on the process and not the money. Understand? So make sure you follow your trading plan, your risk management plan, those rules that you jotted down. Those things that you wrote down are very, very important. Make sure you follow them. They are very, very important. They are going to help you in your trading journey. Okay, journal down your trade. Anytime you make mistake in the market, journal it down. Anytime you win a trade, journal it down. It's very, very important. And those that you lost, those losses that you had for the week or for the day, just go through it, okay, and see the things that made you to lose that trade. I know you might not be right in it all the time, because the market is random. Okay, the market is random, but at least that doesn't mean you should lose like 10 trades in a row. Okay, you can trade 5 trades in a row and win 3 and lose 2. It's normal. Okay, every trader lose. Forget about those gurus you are saying online. Okay, don't be tricked by all that. Okay, all traders lose. They are just showing you that profit and not their lose. So don't be confused about that. It's normal for you to have a loss. Okay, but your win should be bigger than your loss. Sorry about that. That is when risk management comes in place. Okay, focus on your trading plan. Okay, follow them and be consistent. All right. And guys, also slowly increase your position size. Okay, slowly increase your position size as your account gets bigger. Okay, as your account gets bigger, slowly increase your position size. Okay, that will also like help you, because you will not be like trading a $20,000 account with just 0.01 lot size. Okay, that's not making sense. All right. So as your account gets bigger, as you are compounding your account is growing from a smaller account to a big account. Then slowly increase your position size. Don't just increase it by just from 0.01 to like 0.05 when your account just becomes $200. Don't do that. Okay, just slowly increase it. Okay, as you are trading a $50 account, you can be increasing it a little by little, as your account gets to $500, you increase it a little bit. As your account gets to $2,000, you increase it a little bit. You can be using 0.03, you can be using 0.02. Okay, as your account gets bigger, slowly increase your position size. All right. A lot of you guys have been asking me what is the best time frame to trade. Sorry, what's the best time to trade, not time frame. Okay, I'm not showing you guys charts today. I'm just doing a raw video like this to teach you some things. Okay, so you guys have been asking what's the best time to trade. For me, the time that I do trade is the New York session and the London session. Okay, I only trade the New York and the London session because you know why? Because these are the time that price tends to move in a certain direction. Okay, in the Asian section, price can just be ranging. Okay, price will just be ranging. And in the London session, price will just create a low or create a high before going to that direction that you are expecting price to go to. Okay, so the best time to look at the charts is the New York and the London session. Okay, you can't just wake up and just go straight to the charts. Okay, you don't do that. That's very, very bad. Okay, you will make mistake. You facing the charts, waking up from sleep and just go straight to the charts, you will make a lot of mistake because you are not in your right frame of mind. Okay, you are just waking from sleep. You should have just done some exercises. Do some exercises. Okay, meditate so you can just improve in your focus. Meditate, all right, and that will like help you to like get rid of anxieties. Okay, meditating helps you to get rid of anxieties. So when you are facing the charts, all those strange thoughts coming from different angles, you won't get it because you are more focused now. All right, you are most focused and you do the right thing. Understand? So when you wake up early, that's point. You exercise, you meditate, and take a cool shower before going to face your charts. Okay, and don't forget, I said if you want to be trading this London and New York session, you have to be active by 8 a.m. Nigerian time, 8 a.m. And the New York session starts at 1 p.m. Okay, starts at 1 p.m. So these are the best time to trade for those of you asking. Okay, and those of you asking for the best currency pair to trade. Now it depends. Okay, depends on the one that favors you most. Okay, so this thing, that is why I said this is not all about you studying trading. Okay, you have to go and execute. Okay, go and start trading. If you have been studying trading for like 6 months now, 1 year now, then start. You have to start. Okay, and start facing your fears. Start taking that risk. Okay, start trading. When you lose a trade, you learn from your losses. If you lost a trade, you learn from it. Okay, if you win a trade, then happy day. And also journal that trade that you win and try to repeat that same win again. That's the best way you can become profitable. Try to repeat that win again. Okay, you don't just win and just go to club, pop champagne, and just jubilate without you journaling. Okay, you have to like journal down and see the things that you did right and repeat it again and keep doing that. If you lose a trade, then check for the things that you did wrong that made you lose that trade and try to correct it. Okay, it's very, very important. These things will help you. Okay, so as a beginner, the best pairs to trade in the New York session Remember, I asked you to take a pen, okay, if you want to jot down something. So, as a beginner, the best pair to trade in the New York session is the GBP USD, the Euro USD, the Euro JPY, that's Japanese yen, and the Euro GBP. Mostly, as a beginner, it's good to trade those currency pair that is paired with US dollar. Okay, those currency that pairs with USD. Okay, that's the best currency. That's the best currency pair for you. So as a beginner, if you want to trade in the London section, the best currency pair to trade also is GBP USD, Euro USD, Euro JPY. That's your Euro Japanese yen. Okay, so these are the best pairs to trade. All right, so I believe you have understand something from all the things I've been saying. Okay, this video is raw and very raw. As you can see, you can see me like losing my train of thoughts. You can see me thinking of what to say. Yeah, but I believe I've said the right things. Okay, I've said the valuable things you need. Okay, so go out there and practice these things, and believe me, you're going to become profitable. All right, you're going to become profitable if you keep doing these things. They are very, very important. Okay, so don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can always get content like this. All right, so peace out and happy training day and happy